Today, our family is visiting Lone Rock in Arizona. We're so excited to see this famous rock by the water. We drove our van into the sand to see how far it could go.
All right, we're gonna try to see if this rear-wheel drive car can go over there. I'm gonna get traction control off. Let's see. Let's hope we don't get a tow truck. We're gonna have to get a tow truck to tow ourselves out. You see there's another truck trying to come out. It's starting to get loose here. See? Uh-oh.
Yeah.
Oh no, this is bad. This is bad. This is really bad. Oh man, it's so loose up there. I gotta keep it going. Let me ask this guy. How's the sand up there? Is it compact?
It's not all compact, but you can still go in for a little bit.
How far did you all-wheel drive? Oh, how far did you guys go before you stopped?
Where you can see a lot of people,
Yeah,
like
but
with the car and with the camper.
I think those are all-wheel drive cars, though.
I mean, we were there and we are not, but
Okay. Yeah, I'll check it out.
You stopped before.
Stop before, yes. Thank you.
you're right.
Okay. You have a good day.
You too.
Neil, the way they're checking out the sand. See if we can make it closer.
Yeah, so we can drive there and play, not get stuck and play on the beach for a little bit.
The sand was soft and tricky, so we parked our van and started walking. We walked down different levels of sandy hills. Each one got us closer to the water. The sand was deep and made our legs tired.
We thought we would be able to get closer to the water with our car, but the sand is very loose and we didn't want to get stuck, so we had to leave the car a little bit far and then make our way down here. And this is what it looks like. That's why it's called Lone Rock, because it's just that big rock there by itself.
It stands there by itself, surrounded by water. Lone Rock is made of sandstone. The water here is part of Lake Powell. We played in the sand and splashed in the water. We had fun running and digging.
Ina, you having fun?
Yeah, I'm making a sticky castle for Nana, and I'm helping. Oh, what the?
How about you, Ko? Are you helping?
Yeah.
Our car is all the way back there. We didn't want to risk driving it over here because the sand was too loose. It wasn't compacted.
Wait, sweetie. Okay.
Can you feel it, baby? It's the end of the line. It looks like we made it. Let's get it on.
Takes about like 30 minutes to fill it up though. That's air.
Oh my goodness. So we're gonna start heading out before it gets dark, because of course there's no lights here.
To go back, we had to climb 3 sandy hills. It was hard work. The sand was loose, made us tired, but we kept going.
I've seen those faces, I've heard all the lies, but you ain't gazing on someone in denial. 'Cause you want dollar bills right now, but you gotta work real hard. I know you want it to be easy, so let your guard.
Cool. You okay?
I've been cynical, oh so cynical. Never thought somebody could save me from another fall, from another scar. But I'm all healed up, standing steady. I couldn't see colors, it was all
We made it back to the van. We cleaned up all the sand and dust.
We just finished our hike to Lone Rock, and now we're getting all the sand off all our feet.
It's cold. Oh, I'm
Sorry, baby.
Are you okay? How about my back? Oh, I accidentally touched it. I'm gonna chill you with my
Stand up. Stand up. Wait, stay there. Stay there. Stay there.
Can you pull down your shorts just a little?
You gotta,
Stand up.
Oh, it's okay. It's okay, come on. You're gonna take a little shower.
go out with momentum and keep turning. Momentum now. Gotta keep the momentum because we are thick. We are going really thick ground now. Keep the momentum. Keep the momentum. Keep the momentum. traction control.
You showed me every shade. Now I feel like summer on a rainy day, like there's nothing left in my way. So if I ever lose my mind,
Then we said goodbye to Lone Rock. This place was fun, sandy, and full of adventures. Thanks for exploring Lone Rock with our family.
yeah, you shine like a ray.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe so you can join us on more adventures. See you next time.